Everybody, welcome back! Guess who's on my head? Yep, it's Max. He's adorable, isn't he? Say hi, Max. Aw, he loves everybody. Say hi. He left me. Okay, I'll get him back. BRB. Isa is getting mine, birdie. Hopefully he didn't poke on my head.
I kissed it. It checked on my finger, but like still.
And this is my cousin Dora, and with my other bird, King Coconut. Say hi, King. Come on, come on. No, he's like, give him back, give him back.
Yeah, I know. Wait, are you? What's your channel? Like RC something, right?
RC's Vlogs. Say hi, Max.
RC Vlogs.
Vlogs. See, my birds are adorable.
So RC what?
My birds are adorable.
RC
my
Vlogs?
YouTube RC Vlogs Baun. See him. He loves everybody.
Like no, shoot.
So, 5 things about Max. We kept him in the cage for a couple years. He's so adorable.
You're still vlogging, you know.
Is this a hotel, right?
No, it's not a hotel. My last video I made, I was in my parents were cleaning a house. Also, the bed was called a string bed. It feels like you're floating on air surrounded by your feelings. It actually felt like that. That tickles.
It was about slightly.
So, it was really cool swinging on that bed. Swinging back and forth. It was really awesome.
Channel.
Hey, look, it's your fiance,
Subscribe.
King.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Subscribe to her channel.
I don't even remember what my.
Subscribe, people!
I just do this. Wait, both of my videos are 31 seconds. That's a coincidence.
Okay, so everybody, this is another vlog for the day. Say bye, Max. See, he said that in tweets. Say bye, King. King, where are you? Say bye, King.
Wants its fiance. See?
Say bye, King.
The fiance doesn't want.
Wait, look, see, this is just all I do on my YouTube
Look, my
channel.
fiance. Cute.
It won't focus.
So this is the vlog for today. Love you, everybody. Bye. Watch for my other videos. Subscribe to my other channel. And I'm out. Peace.